Welcome to Med About You, your health solution. First of all, what is erection? An erection is the process where the penis becomes firm, enlarged, and stands upright due to increased blood flow. It usually occurs in response to sexual arousal but can also happen spontaneously, like during sleep or from non-sexual stimuli. But how erection works? Mental or physical stimulation like touch, thoughts, or visuals activates the brain. Nerves signal the blood vessels in the penis to relax. This allows blood to rush into the spongy tissues called corpora cavernosa. As these tissues fill, the penis becomes hard and erect. Veins are compressed, keeping blood trapped inside. This maintains the erection. After orgasm or when arousal ends, blood flows back out and the penis returns to its soft, flaccid state. Can erection happen only in men, or it also happens in women too? Erections happen in women too. While we often associate erections with men, women also experience a form of erection. It just happens in different anatomy. Here's what happens in women. When a woman is sexually aroused, blood flow increases to the clitoris, labia, and vaginal walls. The clitoris becomes engorged, swollen, and firmer. This is the female version of an erection. The inner vaginal walls also swell slightly and lubricate, preparing for intercourse. Key female erectile tissues. Clitoris, like the penis, it has corpora cavernosa, spongy erectile tissue that fills with blood during arousal. Labia minora, inner lips, may also swell slightly due to blood flow. Nipples often become erect from arousal due to increased blood and nerve response. Male versus female erections. Feature men, women. Erectile organ, penis, clitoris. Erectile tissue, corpora cavernosa in clitoris. Hormonal control, testosterone, estrogen plus testosterone. External visibility, highly visible, less visible but still real. So yes, both men and women experience erections, just in different body parts. They're both signs of healthy sexual arousal and blood flow. 12 surprising facts about erections you may not be aware of. 1. You get 3 to 5 erections every night. During REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, men naturally experience multiple erections even without sexual stimulation. 2. Morning wood is a sign of good health. Waking up with an erection, morning wood, indicates healthy blood flow and proper nerve function, not just sexual dreams. 3. Erections don't always mean arousal. You can get an erection from non-sexual triggers like full bladder pressure, certain medications, or even anxiety. For the penis has no bone, but can break. Though it's called a boner, there's no bone in the penis. However, you can suffer a penile fracture during rough sex or aggressive bending. 5. Erections start before birth. Believe it or not, male fetuses can have erections in the womb, seen in ultrasounds as early as the 3rd trimester. 6. Erection size isn't linked to foot, hand, or nose size. Despite popular myths, there's zero scientific correlation between penis size and shoe size or finger length. 7. Smoking can kill your erection. Nicotine and tobacco constrict blood vessels, making it harder to get or maintain an erection. Chronic smoking increases risk of erectile dysfunction, ED. 8. Your brain can sabotage your erection. Stress, anxiety, depression, and performance pressure can override physical arousal even if you're otherwise healthy. 9. The penis can slightly shrink with age. Reduced testosterone and blood flow can cause mild size reduction with age, but staying sexually active helps preserve length and function. 10. Some erections last too long, and that's dangerous. A condition called priapism causes erections that last over 4 hours. It's painful and can lead to permanent damage if untreated. 11. You don't need a penis to have an erection. Clitoral erections in women work on the same blood flow principle. Both sexes have erectile tissue that becomes engorged during arousal. Aren't just a man thing. Women experience clitoral erections. The clitoris contains erectile tissue similar to the penis. How to improve erection quality naturally, or how aging affects erections. As men age, It's normal for some changes to occur in sexual function, but it doesn't mean your sex life is over. Here's how erections may be affected. Common age-related changes. Slower erection response to touch or arousal. Less firmness or shorter-lasting erections. Longer time between erections, refractory period increases. Slight reduction in penis size due to decreased blood flow and testosterone. Reduced sexual desire due to lower testosterone. These changes are usually due to decreased testosterone levels, reduced blood vessel elasticity, chronic health conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart disease, side effects from medications, psychological stress or performance anxiety. How to improve erection quality naturally. 1. Eat for blood flow. Your penis needs healthy circulation. Include beets, leafy greens, dark chocolate, nuts, fatty fish. 2. Exercise regularly. Especially cardio and pelvic floor, Kegel, exercises, improves blood flow, boosts testosterone, reduces ED risk. 3. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Low sleep equals low testosterone equals weaker erections. Prioritize deep, uninterrupted sleep. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress or anxiety releases cortisol, which lowers testosterone, inhibits sexual desire. Try meditation, deep breathing, or therapy. 5. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Smoking damages blood vessels and causes ED. Alcohol lowers testosterone and reduces arousal. 6. Support testosterone naturally. Eat zinc-rich foods, eggs, pumpkin seeds, oysters. Is masturbation dangerous for your health, both men and women? Masturbation is not inherently dangerous for either men or women when it's done in moderation and in a healthy, respectful way toward your body. In fact, it's a normal, natural sexual activity for both sexes, with physical, emotional, and mental benefits. Potential health benefits of masturbation for both men and women. Relieves stress by releasing feel-good hormones dopamine, oxytocin, endorphins. Improves sleep by helping the body relax. Enhances mood and can reduce mild anxiety. Supports sexual function by maintaining blood flow to genital tissues. May help prostate health. Some studies link frequent ejaculation with a lower risk of prostate cancer. When masturbation can be harmful. Both men and women, problems occur only if it's done excessively, causing soreness or fatigue. It interferes with relationships, daily tasks, or responsibilities. It's driven by addiction, compulsion rather than natural desire. It involves unsafe objects or techniques that may cause injury. Common myths not true for either gender, men or women. It does not cause infertility. It does not cause blindness or mental illness. It does not shrink sexual organs. It does not mean something is wrong with you. Best foods to eat after masturbation, men and women. 1. Water and electrolyte drinks. Water, coconut water, lemon water, or a homemade electrolyte drink. 2. Bananas. Supports heart health and hormone balance. 3. Dark chocolate 70% plus. Extra for women, helps ease PMS-related tension if applicable. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds. 5. Eggs. High-quality protein plus B vitamins to restore energy and support nervous system recovery. 6. Berries. Antioxidants reduce oxidative stress and improve blood circulation for future arousal. 7. Yogurt. Extra for men, supports testosterone health indirectly via gut function. 8. Oily fish. Omega-3 fatty acids improve blood flow, heart health, and mood. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please visit our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.